welcome back, my fellow amateurs. I'm Josiah. And today we will be making pumpkin soup. Let's get on with the video. Alright, first we'll need butter, heavy whipping cream, pumpkin puree, ground nutmeg, ground cinnamon, ground ginger, garlic, salt, chicken broth, 2 large onions. Bang it! For utensils, we'll need a pot. We're gonna need half a cup. We're gonna need 1 cup, a full teaspoon, and 1 tablespoon. Yeah. This is the part where you tell them what you're doing. You got like 2 tablespoons. And cup. 1. Oh, that bowl. Okay. 2. What are you doing, baby girl?
I'm cutting onions!
2 large onions. Diced. Caramelize them. Alright, now that we got rid of the pretty onions, and they're caramelized. Yeah, anyways. Now we have a teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Ginger. Oh. Half again. Yeah, look at that. That does not look appetizing. It's so good though. Teaspoon garlic. You're supposed to use garlic cloves. Someone left it out. Do I have to eat this? You said I have to eat it. Yeah. So, we're supposed to put 1/4 slowly, but I don't have 1/4 right now. I have to put half of this. Oh, it's chicken. Yay! So, I think this is what it looks like so far. We're gonna go ahead and add everything else. So, we're gonna add the other half. Oh, and we use that half just to get the brown bits at the bottom. So we're gonna fill this up one more time, and then we're gonna use a full cup. Because I spilled last time. Just like we don't care about the numbers, alright. Alright, so that's half. And a full cup. Alright. So that should equal up to 2 cups? Yeah. Alright. Let's add the rest. Second cup of the water. I put the other one in off camera. 2 cups of water to the stock, broth, something, one of the above. We're gonna mix that in. Ooh, look at that, looking disgusting. I mean, beautiful. Alright, it's better than it looks. Now we're gonna have the pumpkin. Anyways, here's the pumpkin.
How much pumpkin?
Oh, a cup, and then you add another half a cup. Pumpkin. This is homemade. I'm gonna add a little extra. Processed. You're cooler than that, like, yeah. And there we go. We have a few more ingredients, but so far, this is what it looks like. I'm hoping it's not gonna get. We need this. So first up, we're gonna abomination. I mean beauty. Ooh. Oh yeah, look at. So now we're gonna leave it medium heat for like 20 minutes and let it simmer and hope it doesn't poison this. I mean, it's gonna be wonderful. I'm Josiah, everybody. Did I forget to mention a baking sheet? Probably. And you're gonna need aluminum foil and ham. And cut that baguette into slices. Yeah. You're that I'm progressively getting uglier right now. Anyways, alright. So, what we got here is 1 tablespoon of butter melted and a pinch of salt. And we place that bad boy after melted on these bread rolls. We have the oven preheated for 350. Like, and now it's about time to put these in. Come with me. Stop!
It's hot.
Alright. So now.
Is it that kind of me?
Anyways. So now we have this. Been simmering for 20 minutes. Okay. Are you ready now? It smells like.
It smells eatable.
It smells good. But it looks like cat vomit. Alright. So now we're gonna put this in the blender, I guess. Looks a little too hot. Let's see how it works out for us. Alright. Safety first. Okay. Pour this into our blender that I told you we needed in the beginning. You smell that? I think we're gonna start with half. This. Yay! Still smells. Now I gotta figure out what to do with this. Period. Alrighty, now we have a half cup. Oh, heavy whipping cream. That wasn't clear enough. We're gonna pour that in. We're gonna pretend like I didn't forget a spoon. Sanitary. Alright, now it's time to serve immediately. Alrighty, so here's our pumpkin soup. Doesn't look appetizing, but looks can be deceiving. Don't judge soup by its
Look by its cover.
yeah. 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 So here we go. Well, first, what? That's how you do it, Elena. Anyway, smells like something.
It smells like pumpkin.
You heard it from the pretty lady herself. That's how you raise up a girl, guys. Now we're gonna eat.
Wait. So if you can't see, it kind of looks like baby vomit. Yum! Okay.
Now, I guess we're trying by the toast first. What'd she say? A few.
The bread gets really soggy.
It was toasted, my people.
I love soggy bread.
Here we go.
Well, if you want to try it.
I don't like it.
I don't like it. This is so good. Tuna for sure. Yum. Yummy. Yum.
All right.
If you're in the mood for puking, definitely try this, y'all.
All right. Let me just try without the bread. You know, soggy bread can ruin things. Not great.
But it's not good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This was bad to do. I was so excited for this video, and it was so bad.
I like the bread a lot.
We can fix it. Oh, yeah, do it, bread.
The bread!
Yay!
I like the bread! The bread is a tutu! Pumpkin really leaves an aftertaste, you know? Not good!
Makes it what I
Bread!
Pretend like this was a to-do.
Bread!
Ew. It looks gross, but it's actually pretty good.
Well, I'm gonna try this. Hopefully it's good. This looks kind of disgusting. I'm scared to eat it. Okay.
So this is how ours turned out. Let us know how you did. Let us know if it was better or worse.